dapper and smooth to a T. The gentleman always takes time over his full body grooming routine. Follow these essential grooming tips to maintain the slickest look in town. Keep your hairlines in check, focusing on the sideburns and beard for that fresh cut feeling. Maintain your facial hair with a variety of guide combs to trim to your desired length. If you prefer the clean shaven look, then swap out the attachment head for a closer cutting foil shaver. Take care of stray hairs with smaller detail attachments for painless hair removal. Keep your body well groomed with a range of different attachments and moisturiser suitable for all areas of the body. Your hair